We have an irregular figure on the board, or you call it a complex figure, and we are asked to find the area. So let me show you how we find the area of shapes like this. So the first thing you will need to do is to decompose this shape into its component shapes. We have two figures here, two shapes I am looking at here. If I should cut this guy from here now, I have a rectangle and a trapezium. So let's produce the shapes. This is our trapezium, and this is our what? Rectangle. So two shapes came together to form this compound shape. So let's now write the dimensions of this guy. So the width of the rectangle is 3 and the length is 16. Then for the trapezium, the first parallel part is 7, and then what will be our height? Now take note that total length this place to this place is 8. But when you cut off from here, okay, here is also 3 because the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if here is 3, that means that here is what? 5, because 3 plus 5 will give us total length. That is from here to here is 5. So that means here is 5. Then what about here? Can you just cut this guy from here, right? If you cut it like from to this point, you discover that here is 6, therefore here will also be 6. So what will be the length from here to here? That is 10, because 10 plus 6 will give you 16. So here is 10. All right, so we have all it takes to find the area of the trapezium, find the area of the rectangle, and add them together. So what's the formula for the area of a trapezium? Area of a trapezium is half of the two parallel sides, sum of two parallel sides times the height. So let's solve it. The first parallel side is 7 plus what? The other one 10 times the height, which is 5. So let's add. 7 plus 10 will give us 17. So we have 17 times 5 over 2. 17 times 5 will give us 85. So we have 85 over 2. That will give us 44.5. 44.5. So the area of the trapezium is 44.5. Let's solve the area of the rectangle. That is length times the what? The width. Area of a rectangle is length times the width, which is 16 times 3. 16 times 3 will give us 48. So to get the area of the complex figure now, we are going to be saying 44.5 plus 48, okay? And that would give us 92.5 meters squared. Area is measured in square units. So we've been able to find the area of this shape. All right.